Good morning, beautiful space. I thought I would share with you my new hibiscus plants. Looking gorgeous. It was so wonderful to wake up this morning and see the flower open. Also, I replanted this tropical tree. It was very root bound and left for dead, but I know it's alive because of this beautiful leaf. Also, I cut it right here and it was very green. I know it doesn't look green, but it was very green. And I thought I would share that with you. Also, how much did I pay for this beautiful tropical tree? I don't know, it's not focusing. Well, $1. I paid $1. Thanks for watching Beautiful Space. Like, share, and subscribe.